Oh, all right. I'll get those over to you right away. On their way right now. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. What is wrong with... Girl, I know you're not still in the bed crying over bed. Girl, listen. You going out tonight. I won't hear nothing else about it. You just said you got you some bomb stuff from LaMocha, so there's no excuses.
Miranda, I don't want to go out.
I'm calling the girls. We're going out. That's it. Roll out of bed. Let's go. Let's go. See you later. Bye.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the jeweler, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hotter than a Somali. Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though, got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B, I run this like cardio. I'm a district in the chain.